class 7th and I'm here for the playing rapid fire. I have the captain of this class, Mr. Abhiraj. Please give a huge round of applause for Abhiraj. Okay, so Abhiraj, I'm gonna give you the questions. You will have to give the answers. Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Abhiraj, firstly tell what is the importance of education in your life?
Education is very important in your life. Without education, you can not happy in your life. Sometime education is very important for people. In cities, every people are educated, but you can look in villages. Village people are not educated. They are farming and they cannot earn more money for from that. And in city the peoples are educated, they are doing jobs, from jobs they are earning money.
Okay, Abhiraj, tell me one thing. Can English change someone's life? Can English change someone's life?
Yes, English changes everyone's life. If you know English, from the English you can do jobs from your phone, and you can go and select job. And if you want to go any other foreign country, so in foreign country everyone knows English. And English is very important, and in every country every people speak that country language, and they can also understand English. And English is that language that everyone knows English, everyone knows this language.
How money is important for you?
Money is very important. Money is also very important for us, because without money you cannot happy in your life.
What is the process of saving water?
Saving water, you can now time you can see village people have more water. They pump and they are using motors, and from the motors from motors they come hot water, then cold water. First hot water they throw, but we don't have to do like this. You can see, you go in city and you see the you can see they are saving the water. They have only in our day they have only 10 to 5 liter waters.
Tell something about your class 6, 7th B.
My class is very good, and some students are weak, and some students are in average, and some are good students. And everyone is my friend in my class.
Who is your best friend and why?
Deep Prakash is my best friend, because he tell to me everything, and what I want he tell to me, and he make understand to me.
Tell something about a school.
My school name is Sankat Mochan Group of Institution. It is located as Sultanpur district in Uttar Pradesh, in village area Kurebhar and between Kurebhar and Bajna, located to Pidhi.
Okay.
And his very facilities are also available. Every student are in CCTV surveillance.
Okay. Tell me something about a spoken teacher, Akash Singh.
My spoken teacher name is Akash Singh, and he is very kind person. He tell us everything, which sentence, where we can use this sentence, and every words they tell us every day. They tell us 5 or more vocabulary words, and from that words we use that words. We use that words.
Okay. Tell something about your family.
My family are very good and kind, and in my family there are 7 members are there. My grandmother, my big father and big mother, and my brother and me, my mother and my father. My father name is Mr. Sudhir Kumar Singh. He is a farmer. Now time he is doing farming, and my mother is a housewife. and my brother name is Adhiraj Singh. He is studying 4th standard.
Okay, last question for you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me who's your competitor in this class?
Many competitors are in my class like Navneet, Diprakash and Agam, and they compete me and I also compete them. Then they also help me what we have to do and what we can do.
Few students are not speaking English in your class. So what is your suggestion for them?
My suggestion is this: every student should speak English because English is very important in these students' life, because students are now they are in this 7th standard. When they pass 12th and they want jobs and other things, they can, with the help of English, they can earn money, and English is very important for them. I suggest to them everyone should speak English.
Okay, nice talking. Clap for the Abhiraj.